Net income can be found from pre-tax income minus income tax expense. Pre-tax income is $76 million, and tax expense is found in requirement 1, 30.1 million. So net income is 76 minus 31.2 million. Next requirement, assets. Show any deferred tax amounts on balance sheet. SB assets to separate taxable liabilities and tax assets into current portion and non-current portion. And they want us to net deferred tax liabilities with deferred tax assets. So we need to go back to the table to identify which assets and liabilities are current and non-current. So I will put down current parts and non-current parts. Within current ones, I will have deferred tax assets, deferred tax liabilities. Same for the non-current, deferred tax assets, deferred tax liabilities. For the deferred tax assets, for current one, what are, so these are my assets, it's 2 and 7. 2 are warranty expense. I don't know when they will happen, 2014 or 15. But in general, warranty expense is a current concept. So I have a warranty expense of total $2 million deductible in the future as of 2013. Another asset is $7 million of vacation absence. Within this $7 million, I know $4 million will be realized in the coming year if I stand at the end of 2013. $3 million will be realized later than 1 year. The $4 million is current assets. Therefore, I create another row of vacation absence of $3 million, of $4 million, sorry. In the non-current one, I have a vacation absence of $3 million. So those are assets. How about my liabilities? Liabilities, $4 million of installment sales, $2 million will be realized in the coming year, and the other 2 will be realized in later than 1 year. So $2 million is current net liabilities. Installment sales, $2 million. And non-current liabilities, I have installment sales of $2 million. Another liability is depreciation. Although we can see it, we estimated that $8 million of depreciation will be taxed and $13 million of depreciation will be taxed in the 14. In general, depreciation expense is resulted from a long-term asset. All this depreciation liability will be put into long-term, non-current. Depreciable asset. It is resulted from depreciable assets, and they are totally $21 million. And remember, I always have to multiply by the tax rate to find out the actual amount that will be tax deductible or taxable. this calculation will be copied for everyone. Now I will create another row here because I need to calculate the net assets and liabilities. Sorry, to create a line up here. Let's see. So my total deferrable tax are 2.4 million. My total tax payable is 0.8 million in the current year. Net tax deferred tax assets is summation of assets equal to summation of assets minus liabilities. It's a positive because my asset is larger than liability. For the non-current one, I also find a message value. Net deferred tax. I don't know if it's asset or liability depending on which one is higher. So this one will be calculated by total assets minus total liabilities. It's a negative, meaning liability is higher. So I will turn it as tax liabilities. Therefore, on the balance sheet, asset section, current asset, and in the current asset section, I will have a deferred tax assets of current deferred tax assets 1.6 million. And for liability section, I don't have anything for current liabilities, but I have non-current liabilities. So I have non-current liability section. I have a deferred tax liabilities of $8 million. I don't want to show negative sign because I already show liabilities wording in the title. This will be my balance sheet presentation. This concludes problem 16-7.